This is absolutely my favorite USB desktop fan for office use. I basically use it every single day here behind my laptop. Let me show you a few more details. It cools the laptop and especially my USB-C hub, which runs pretty hot during summertime. Look, and it can be charged when it's running. So I have a USB cable in the back to always top the battery off. And there's a red indicator when it's charging facing this way. Long press to enable the oscillation mode, so it doesn't really blow at the same spot continuously. It's so sleek. And another press to increase the fan speed. And there are 3 speed settings, and 1 press to turn it off. Let me show you a few more details here. So the head can be rotated freely, like this. 3 speed setting, long press to enable the oscillation mode, and it can also face up. There's a keyhole mount under the bottom, and there's a piece of plastic accessory to stick that piece on the wall, which I have already lost, but yeah, awesome. I just usually use it at my desk. This is doesn't make much sense facing up, but you know, when you are mounting it on the wall, it's like this. It can also be cleaned easily. This piece can be taken off, and the blades can be cleaned. So much easier to access. Okay, that's locked. Yeah, works very well. Battery life is excellent, but I usually just use it as in plugged in mode behind the laptop as I mentioned before. Otherwise, this USB-C hub actually runs pretty hot. I'm using a laptop from Apple with M1 Pro chip. It's very cool, but really the problem is this part. So with this fan, it completely solved my problem. It's very, very cool down here. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful. Awesome product, love it.